A long platform truck was overturned at NH39 Nijorapar under the jurisdiction of Bokajan police station on Thursday. A fully loaded long platform truck carrying cements from Bokajan railway station overturned while on its way to Khatkati due to the steep and twisted turn road alongside NH39 Nijorapar. Locals informed that the incident had taken place on Thursday evening around 4 p.m. when the truck bearing registration number NL01G8675 was struggling to balance its position while taking a turn. The truck was overloaded than its usual capabilities. This had consequently resulted in a mishap. Bokajan police reached the spot and therefore took the necessary steps to secure the area. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbiangnong Live.